here to open up my swap from the treasured page. This is for the month of June. My swap partner, Mary, sent me my package. Ooh, very pretty. I love this paper and the textures. Okay. Sure you can see. Okay, very good. So Mary, my swap partner, sent me my package for the month of June for the swap partner treasured page. I'm really excited to share. It's like a little, oh, look at this. Beautiful. And the texture and the glitter, it's absolutely precious. Flower pots. This is beautiful. Thank you, Mary. I love how it's tied. Absolutely beautiful. I love the work. I love how it's layered. This will be great to use into my next project. So we were to make a little booklet for our theme and put bits and bobs into it, along with some pages that we have. There's guidelines set, and you can see those over on the Treasured Page Facebook group. And she has a fantastic YouTube channel also as well. This book, I can feel it's so thick and full of goodies. So first, oh, and then we also had to write a letter. Look at how beautiful. And she's got it stamped. Oh my goodness. With a seal. I love all these little bits and bobs. I wish I had a way to take pictures as we go, but I don't. So Mary, you were wondering about cats. There she is. There's one of them saying good morning. I'm trying not to rip. I want to save this. Oh, what a neat idea. You turned the whole, oh, so good. So look here. We're already in oh, in Texas. Love this, Mary. Oh, it's beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. Okay. Oh my goodness. Look at all the goodies. Look at this. Oh my goodness. Look at this. Oh, a piercer with a charm. What a handy idea. Oh, Mary, this is so neat. I love this tool. And the charm is a darling. And I love how you made it to go right in here. Look at this. A little sectioned off for this charm to go. And all kinds of goodies. Little areas. I'm going to go ahead and pull some of the things out, and then I'll go back. Oh, look at this. Embellishment. Beautiful. Oh, look at this envelope. So much goodness, guys. I will do pictures. I'll kind of try and lay it out after and do pictures when I'm done recording. Some great postcards and images. Oh, I love them. And I love the texture. So here we have our pages into the signature. Look at all the goodness. There's such beautiful stuff. This napkin is beautiful. Oh, I love that. And look at, so there's pockets full of bits and bobs to go through and pull out for little treasures to decorate and use in your projects. These pages are beautiful. I love them. So unique. I got some, oh boy. Doilies, lots of interesting pieces of pages and bits. I love this. Beautiful. And then the back has a couple more pockets and more bits and bobs. I love these images because I don't have a lot to use. And these are just going to be great. Oh, look at for more. And here's the letter for the theme this month. Beautiful. Look, little photos. You did such a great job, Mary. Thank you so much. These are darling. I love them. Oh. And some little charms. These are fantastic. What a fantastic swap. Thank you so much. I want to kind of put them. I'll get some pictures. Oh, look. Oh, another. Some more goodies. This is a beautiful card. Beautiful. And I love how your pockets with the clear. Thank you such for an amazing swap, Mary. I absolutely love it. I love everything about it. Beautiful. And I cannot wait to get some time to get crafting and creating with all these goodies. I'll make sure to share some projects with them very soon. These pages are amazing. I love this one. These are just so beautiful. This is amazing. And I love all the dyed papers. Beautiful. Thank you so much, Mary, for this beautiful swap. So much goodness. We'll see you guys all soon.